Hi kids, welcome to Computer Science class, Chapter 7, PowerPoint Graphics, Part 2. In the last class, we discussed about the topics Images Group and Illustrations Group in PowerPoint. Today, we are going to learn the topics Inserting Objects and Creating Hyperlink in a Presentation. Inserting Chart. Insert chart option helps to illustrate and compare data in a presentation. Chart types available in PowerPoint are bar, pie, line, area and surface. Steps to insert chart in a slide. First, select chart in the illustrations group on the Insert tab. Then, Insert Chart dialog box will appear. Select a chart type and click on OK button. When we insert a chart, a set of chart tools will appear on the ribbon. These options are only visible when we select a chart. Chart tool options display three tabs. They are Design, Layout and Format. PowerPoint uses an Excel worksheet as a placeholder for entering chart data. We can also edit an existing chart by click on Change Chart Type on the Type group from Design tab. Then select a chart style and click on OK button. Insert text box. What is the use of text box in PowerPoint? Text box is used to place text anywhere on the slide. Steps to insert a text box. First, click on text box in the text group on the Insert tab. Then, drag it into the working area. Now, the text box will be displayed. We can type text in the text box. Header and footer. Header and footer helps to display common contents of a presentation into all slides. We can insert slide numbers, date and time, title, file name, etc. into a single slide and it will be displayed in all slides. Steps to insert header and footer. Click on header and footer on the Insert tab. Header and footer dialog box will be displayed. If we need to add date and time, select it from Slide tab. If we need to insert footer, check on footer and type a name. Then click on Apply to All button. Now we can see the footer information on all the slides. Insert word art. What is word art in PowerPoint? Word art is a gallery of pre-designed text styles. It is used to make our presentation more attractive. Steps to insert word art. First, click on word art button on the text group. Then, select a word art style from the drop down list. Type text in the text box. Now, the text is displayed in a selected word art style. Insert tables. Tables group help to insert tables in a presentation. It is on the Insert tab. After we add a table, we can change the table style or add effect using new table tool features. Steps to insert a table. First, click on Tables in the Insert tab. Then, a drop-down list appears. Select the number of rows and columns by dragging mouse over the grids. Then the table will be inserted in the presentation. We can also use Insert Table and Draw Table option from Table button on the Tables group. If we need to add Excel spreadsheet in a presentation, using Excel spreadsheet option from the table drop-down list. Hyperlink. What is a hyperlink? Hyperlink is an icon, graphic or text that links to another file or object. In PowerPoint, hyperlink is a connection from one slide to another slide in the same presentation or to a slide in another presentation. Steps to create hyperlink. First, select the object that we want to create hyperlink in slide 1. Then, click on hyperlink from Link Group on Insert tab. Now, Insert Hyperlink window will be displayed. Click on Place in this document option. Then, select the second slide. Then, click on OK button. In this way, we can create link on any slide. We can also create links to web pages in a slide. F5 key is the keyboard shortcut to run a presentation. By pressing on F5 key, starts the slideshow at the first slide and display it in full screen mode. Now it's time to wind up the class. Thank you.